In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Slack on any device so you're always running the latest version. Keeping Slack up to date is important, not just for new features, but also for performance improvements and security fixes. The good news is that in most cases, Slack handles updates for you automatically in the background, but sometimes you may want to force an update, especially if you've heard about a new feature or if the app is acting a bit glitchy. Let's walk through the main ways to update Slack, depending on where you're using it. If you're on Windows or Linux using the desktop app, start by opening Slack. Look toward the very top left corner of the window for the three-line menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover over or click on Help. In the Help menu, choose Check for Updates. Slack will then look for any available updates, and, if it finds one, it will download and install it. You may be prompted to restart Slack to finish the process, so go ahead and close and reopen the app if needed. On a Mac using the desktop app, the steps are slightly different, but just as simple. With Slack open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click on Slack in the menu bar. In that drop-down, select Check for Updates. Just like on Windows or Linux, Slack will search for the latest version and apply the update. If it tells you a restart is required, close the app and open it again to complete the update. If you installed Slack from the Mac App Store, you can also update it like any other app from there. Open the App Store, look at the sidebar, and click on Updates. Scroll through the list of apps with available updates until you find Slack, then click the Update button next to it. Once it finishes, your Slack app will be up to date the next time you open it. On mobile devices, updating is handled through your App Store. On iOS, open the App Store, go to your Updates section, and look for Slack in the list. Tap Update if it's available. On Android, open the Google Play Store, go to your Updates or Manage Apps area, find Slack, and tap Update. If you have automatic updates enabled, this might even happen without you noticing. Finally, if you use Slack in a web browser, you don't need to do anything at all. The browser version always runs the latest release, so simply refreshing the page will give you the most current experience.